I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical chain. Identify the GPU outputs and the monitor inputs because matching signal types avoids adapters. Once done, plug the preferred cable into each monitor and into your PC, then power them on. This ensures Windows detects them. If you need an adapter, use an active display port to HDMI or USB-C adapter for scaling accuracy, and make sure cables are fully seated. This reduces detection issues and speed. You then move into Windows 11 settings to teach the OS how your screens relate. Open Settings, go to System, then Display. Once there, click Detect if a monitor doesn't appear, and drag the monitor tiles to match your real desk layout so mouse travel feels natural. Make one display primary to place the taskbar and main apps. Also adjust each monitor's resolution and scale for sharp text. This fixes blurry apps when monitors have different pixel densities. Finish by polishing performance and fixing common issues. Open Advanced Display Settings to set refresh rates and color profiles for smooth motion and accurate color. If a monitor shows no signal or flickers, make sure cables and ports aren't loose. Then update or reinstall your GPU drivers. Drivers often resolve detection and scaling glitches. If problems persist, reboot, swap cables between ports, or test each monitor alone to isolate hardware versus software faults. This single test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.